Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vinyl coated or PVC coated chain link fences are a little more decorative. They come in a variety of colors, although black is the most popular. This type is becoming popular for residential use because it is more attractive, but it is also more expensive.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Common heights include 3 feet, 3 feet 6 in, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet, and 12 feet, though almost any height is possible. Common mesh gauges are 9, 11, and 11.5. Mesh length can also vary based on need, with the standard diamond size being 2 inches.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
However, not every fence will greatly increase your home's value. For example, a chain link fence, a style of fence that's considered less aesthetically pleasing, is a less costly option when installing the fence, but it won't increase the resale value as much.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
On average, installing a 150-foot long and 4-foot tall black chain link fence costs $1,700 to $2,900. However, adding height, a thicker gauge mesh, or installing it on difficult terrain can increase the price to $7,500 plus. For most residential projects, expect to pay $5 to $25 per linear foot for materials.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Spacing fence posts. As chain link fence posts are smaller and sturdier than many other types, the holes should be smaller and can be farther apart. Follow the fence manufacturer's instructions for spacing, which typically ranges from 4 to 10 apart. Spacing should not exceed 10 feet on center. Fig.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.